Let's introduce it below. Video on how to use CASA or CAD as the basis for drawing. First, draw a cylinder. We choose the diameter of the large circle as 200. Then draw a small circle with a diameter of 100. This is a cylinder. This step is to draw a picture. After drawing the picture, we click on Part Save. Take the center of the circle as the concentric point. Click Save and name the image. It is in DWG format. Click Save. After clicking, we choose to open this software. This software starts with D. After opening, select the cutting part. This is the one we were in just now. The round head painted in CASA. Open this and it will be the round head we just drew. Then we click to create a cutting path. After it is created, it can be cut directly. We can also preview in 3D. This is the cylinder we will cut in a moment. In this case, it is an automatic programming. In other words, you don't need to manually program it yourself. Finished creating the cutting path. Select this to create the base code. Create 4-axis base code. We save it to the desktop path. Save a path cylinder. Save and then push. Click this software. This software is our cutting software. No matter where you draw, all cutting needs to be done through this software. Path source open. This is a cylinder made from the drawing just now. Then add the ingredients afterwards. Just click Start to start cutting.
路径圆筒打开，这个就是咱们这个刚才这个软件所画图编程出来的一个圆筒了。然后随后的话放上料，直接点击启动就可以切割了。